Want to build muscle without relying on supplements? Good news. You absolutely can build strong, lean muscle naturally. Let's find out how. Welcome. We're diving into the essential foods and consistency needed for natural muscle growth. Skip the complicated supplements. Real muscle is built through proper nutrition and consistent effort in your training. Protein is the key to muscle growth. Aim for about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, especially if you're a beginner. Now, let's explore 3 incredible food sources that are packed with the protein you need. Number 1. Eggs. They are a complete protein source and contain leucine, an amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. Simple, affordable, and highly effective. Number 2. Chicken breast. This is high in protein and low in fat, making it perfect for clean, lean muscle gain. Vegetarian. Number 3 is paneer, or cottage cheese. It provides slow digesting protein, supporting muscle repair and recovery while you rest. But muscle isn't built with protein alone. You also need carbohydrates for energy and recovery. Number 4, rice or whole wheat roti. After your workout, carbs help to refill muscle glycogen stores and speed up your recovery. Number 5, peanuts or almonds. These healthy fats support hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a key role in muscle growth. Here's an important tip for optimizing your results. Try to eat a balanced meal with protein and carbohydrates within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout for the best possible recovery. To wrap up, let's remember where true muscle is made. Muscles aren't built by supplements. They're built by consistency, proper nutrition, and progressive overload training. Natural food plus smart training equals real transformation. Follow for more science-based fitness tips.